What's up guys, and it's coming. As we are getting closer, more and more leaks are coming, and today is quite a big leak day, I would say. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro official price surrenders got leaked along with the regular Mate 30, Mate 30 Lite and Mate 30 RS Porsche Design Edition. Also we have full confirmed specs and features leaked along with the gorgeous live images and extremely crazy camera features. So first up, here's the Mate 30 Pro showing its beauty from all corners, waterfall screen, circular camera, almost non-existent chin, and here how the waterfall screen actually looks like. Yesterday the first smartphone with waterfall screen launched officially, which is Vivo X3, and reviewers who use this phone said that there are no accidental touches from sides. It's so easy to use, so you can also expect similar thing with the Mate 30 Pro. Also Mate 30 leaked revealing the small notch which houses two cameras and possibly a 3D Face ID, and we also have Mate 30 Lite which is quite similar to Mate 20 with its square shaped camera on the back and punch hole LCD display up front. And Mate 30 RS Porsche design also got leaked, which also has square camera and everything similar to Mate 30 Pro. Now Huawei has also released a lot of teasers of Mate 30 series, pretty much hinting the camera because it is going to have a dual 40 megapixel sensors, 8 megapixel telephoto and TOF sensor. Now other than the hardware upgrades, Huawei Mate 30's camera can be able to shoot Ultra HD night photography along with the super extremely slow-mo videos at 7680 frames per second. Yes, you heard that right. It is even 8 times more slower than the 960 fps slow-mo videos, which is currently the highest in the industry. But Huawei without a doubt will take this to a completely new level. Now this thing also leaked 4500 mAh battery for Pro and 4200 mAh for non-Pro with 27 watt of wireless charging and 40 watts of wired charging. Also live leaks are coming constantly showing the side-by-side look of Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro from front and back, revealing the real life look and its actual colors. I really like this phone. I have to say, if some of you can afford extra for me, then it would really be appreciated. So that's all in this video. I'm pretty sure more leaks are on their way to reveal more features and beautiness of Mate 30 family, so definitely subscribe to the channel and like this video, and yet don't forget, if you have budget for extra then your guy is waiting. And yeah, see you soon.